G'day, Trent Fleskens here from Strategic Broker Services, and today we're talking about fixing your home loan. When's the best time to fix your loan? How long should you fix it for? And why would we even think about fixing our loan when rates are so good right now? If those questions confuse you on the best of days, don't worry. Dealing with fixed rates is more of an art than a science. It's a futures contract with a bank that bets that over the period of the fixed rate, you'll end up paying less in interest than you forecast you would have with a variable rate. But this is like betting a horse trainer that his horse will run at a certain speed in the next race. Neither of you can predict the outcome for certain, but you can be sure he has a lot more information about it than you do. So that makes fixed rates a little tricky to consider at times. But there are certain times in the cycle and in your personal life where a fixed rate really can offer the certainty, peace of mind, and value that you are looking for out of your mortgage. Recently, CanStar compared an average 3-year fixed rate loan with variable rates over 2 decades and found people who fixed did better for 112 months, while those who stuck with the variable were ahead for 123 months. And that means that either a lot of us have lost the bet with the banks or we have other priorities driving our decisions. Now, some of those priorities are things like uncertainty around employment future, family planning, or simply wanting to set a monthly bill that you can budget to accordingly. At this time of the market, it can be hard to consider fixed rates, given the fact variable rates are generally so affordable. However, with the lenders doing everything they can for new business, trying to steal you away from their competitors, and strong signs we've hit the bottom of the rate cycle, it can also be very tempting to consider some of those current fixed rate deals out there that offer locked rates at prices lower than even current variable deals. If you could lock your rate in at under 4% per annum for 3 years, when the current variable rates are at 4% per annum too, would you consider making the switch? Now, a fixed rate isn't for everyone. It can offer a lot less flexibility in paying down your debt faster or refinancing for investment. There can be costs associated with these changes. However, with more flexible fixed rate products now offered and partial offsets on the table, it's a different proposition than in the past. So if you're currently on a variable rate and would like to shore up that next few years at a competitive rate, I would highly recommend speaking to your broker. This is our bread and butter, so if you'd like that extra experience and personal assistance, please give us a call. We'd love to be optimizing your loan today.